Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix 0x803c0103 error with Windows Update troubleshooters. So guys, to resolve this issue, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start. Now here type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command line sfc /scan. Now so type this command line sfc /scan now, then press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. And once guys this scanning will complete, you have to copy and paste this second command line. I will give this command line in description, so copy and paste and press enter. And also guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. And once this scanning will complete, you have to restart your machine. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve 0x803c0103 error with Windows Update troubleshooters. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.